Welcome everyone. Today, we will learn together how to sum the value of branch sales according to the week number. First, you must know that the year is divided into 52 weeks, and each week has a number. We start with week number 1 and end with week number 52. For example, do you see this date? How do we know which week it belongs to? The method is easy and simple. We stop in any cell and write equals, then write the equation for week num, then open a bracket, select the cell with the date, close the bracket, then press enter. The result is 19, which means that date belongs to the 19th week. How can we sum the value of each branch according to the number of the week? This is what we will learn today. Let's go. First of all, we will determine together each of those days their own week number. You will go to the first cell there, then we write equals and write the week number. Then we open a bracket and choose the day. Then we close the bracket and press enter. To apply this equation to the rest of the days, you can copy it by pressing Ctrl+C on the keyboard. Then select all those cells as you see. Then press enter. Now we have 7 days that belong to the 19th week and 5 days that belong to the 20th week. We will go to the end of the table and write here 19. This means that all the results that will appear here are the sum of the branch's sales during week number 19. Likewise, when we write here 20, how do we do it? We go to the cell below the number 19. Then we write equals and we write the sum if equation. Then we open a bracket. Now, the equation asks us 3 important things, the first of which is the range. So we will go to select all the upper cells that include the week numbers. As you can see now, before leaving this step, we must freeze that path by pressing 4. Now we must put a comma in order to move to the second stage. We will move to the criteria stage. We are now asked, which week are you looking for? Of course we are looking for week 19, so we will click here on that week. And before we leave that step, we must freeze that cell. But how do we do it? We will press F4 more than once until a single $sign appears between the letter and the number, as you can see now. Then we write comma. We will move to the final stage, which is the sum range. And here we are asked about the summation path. So we will go to select the first row of sales values for the first branch, as you can see now, and we must freeze it as well. We will press F4 more than once until we see the $sign at the beginning, just the cell name, as you can see now. Now we can close the bracket and press enter. Now we will copy that equation by pressing Ctrl+C, then select that range, then press enter. Now we have the total sales values for each branch according to the week number. I hope the episode was useful. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and activate the bell button to receive all new updates. With my wishes for success.